Hello guys, this is Joni and I'm making a film today to wish you all happy Valentine's Day, even though it is a little bit late, but not very much. So this is what I did with my two-tier tray in the middle of my island. And as you can see, I have several boxes of candy in there. And the reason why I did that, I didn't want to get a bunch of candy for the kids or for anybody for that matter. So I just bought several of the smaller boxes and put them in there, and then they're coming over, everybody's coming over tomorrow because tomorrow is my birthday, and no, my birthday is the 19th. But anyway, we're going to celebrate tomorrow. And so they're going to be here, and I'll let them take their candy and enjoy it, hopefully. And this, like I said, this is what I used. I just, as you can see, I've just got some little odds and ends there to, I got my little birdhouses on my candle holders, and just a little bit of nonsensical things, shall we say. And this is what I did with my pencil tree. And as you all probably remember, you'll say, that looks like Christmas. Well, it does look like Christmas, except I added a lot of red hearts and pink hearts to it, and more red berries. And that's what I did to turn it into a Valentine's Day tree. And I really think it's pretty. I love it. And that way I was able to enjoy my tree longer than I would have if I had taken it down. So I thought you all might want to see that, and I hope that you all had a very, very happy Valentine's Day, and everything went well, and you just had a marvelous time. So I'm going to say goodbye now, and I'll talk with you guys later, good Lord's will, on my next video. And remember, I love you, and so does God. See you later. Bye-bye.